major domains of the earth. In previous video we have learned about the 7 continents in the world. Now we are going to talk about the 4 major oceans in the world. Do you know that all these oceans, seas, gulfs, bays, lakes and rivers are which part of the earth? All the water found on this earth is part of the hydrosphere. This presence of water is a unique feature on our planet. About 71% of Earth's surface is covered with water, and about 97% water is in the oceans. So let's learn about the 4 major oceans in the world. Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean covers an area larger than the combined area of all the continents. It is the largest and the deepest ocean. It is bounded by Asia and Australia in the west, and North America and South America in the east. Ferdinand Magellan, an European sailor, was the first to sail across Pacific Ocean. He called it Pacific, means peaceful, because of the gentle and steady winds blowing there. The Atlantic Ocean probably got its name from the legendary island of Atlantis. This ocean is flanked by North America and South America on the western side, and Europe and Africa on the eastern side. Today, the Atlantic Ocean is the busiest ocean and has some of the largest harbors in the world. The Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is the only ocean in the world which is named after a country, India. This indicates the importance of India in international trade in ancient times. The Indian Ocean does not open out northwards into the Arctic Ocean. It is completely bounded on the north by Asia and thus referred to as half an ocean. Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean is more or less surrounded by land. It is centered around the North Pole and lies within the Arctic Circle. Although it is linked to the Pacific Ocean by the narrow Bering Straits. Sometimes the Arctic Ocean is taken as the northward extension of Atlantic Ocean. Importance of ocean. The oceans are the main source of moisture in the atmosphere. They exercise direct control over the atmospheric temperature. They are the storehouse of various minerals and chemicals. They are also the main source of fish and other marine lives. Atmosphere. The air which surrounds the earth is called the atmosphere. The exact thickness of atmosphere is not known, as there is no sharp boundary between the atmosphere and outer space. The total weight of air in the atmosphere is about 500 million tons. The atmosphere is held to the earth by the pull of gravity. We all know that atmosphere is essential for the existence of life on earth. Without atmosphere, the earth would have been burned like other planets. Composition of the atmosphere. The atmosphere is colorless, odorless, and tasteless gases. It is the mixture of gases, water vapors, dust particles, and smoke in our environment. The composition of air varies from place to place and time to time based on the environment around us. Also, the composition of clean and dry air is fairly uniform in the lower layer of atmosphere up to a height of about 8 km. A pure and dry air contains 78% of nitrogen and 21% of oxygen. Other gases found in small quantity are argon, carbon dioxide, neon, ozone, hydrogen, helium, methane, and many more. Besides these gases, water vapors, dust particles, smoke, salt, etc. are also present in the atmosphere. Because the oxygen is heavy, that's why it is found in the lower layer of the atmosphere where all living beings survive by breathing in oxygen. Nitrogen helps in growth of living organism. Carbon dioxide absorbs the heat radiance by the earth and keep the plant warm and help the plants to prepare food by photosynthesis. Whereas the water vapors and dust particles are all present in the lower layer of the atmosphere. The amount of water vapors and dust particles vary not only from place to place but also time to time based on the environment. Our Earth's atmosphere is divided into 5 layers. They are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere, going in order of lower layer to the highest layer. The troposphere is the lowest layer of the atmosphere and is most closest to the surface of the earth. The average height of troposphere is about 18 km over the equator and 8 km over the poles. The troposphere contains almost 90% of the total air in the atmosphere. The water vapors and dust particles are found only in troposphere. The troposphere is the home of clouds, lighting, and other weather phenomena. Importance of atmosphere. Atmosphere provides the necessary gases for living things to survive. It regulates the heat from the sun to just the right temperature for life on Earth. It plays an important role in water cycle, and the ozone layer protects the Earth from the sun's UV rays. Also, the atmosphere protects the Earth from small meteors. Biosphere. Biosphere is the sphere of living organisms where lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere meet and interact is called biosphere. The word bio means life and sphere means a total range or circle. Every living species on Earth is part of the biosphere. The organisms in the biosphere are broadly divided into plants, animals, human beings, and microbes. These elements of the biosphere are interdependent on one another, where human beings are an essential part of the biosphere. But the increasing needs of humans and their activities are disturbing the natural balance between different elements of biosphere. All these activities of human beings have led to the pollution of air, land, and water. Pollution is a human made disturbance which nature can neither stop nor rectify, which is why it is the responsibility of every human being to check the increasing pollution in order to maintain the delicate balance of nature, which is essential for our growth and survival.